Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this video started and get you a little bit of box action. Let this focus. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid, white, laser blue, and black. Got a whole bunch of shoes. This came in. It came in a dusty, beat up box. So I'm making this video for this pair to let you know. Most likely going to sell this pair. It's a pair of size 10. So if you're interested in a pair of size 10 of this shoe, this one could be yours if you don't mind a damaged box. I don't know how long they've been in this box. When these came out with a dead stock pair, I bought a whole pallet, or whatever you would call it. I'm going to keep them the 13ers. Might only keep one pair of these for myself. I don't think I might ever wear them. Pretty okay Jordan in my opinion, though. Can't go wrong with white, black, and blue. I don't know what these are going for, but I'm going to try to knock a couple bucks off because of the box. Get these out there, though. Like I said, I'm ramping back up the Jordans. I'm taking highs, mids, and lows now. I guess the shoe's so white it's hard to see guys would make it out. The materials on this shoe aren't too bad. For a Jordan 1 Mid, they're actually pretty good. The whole shoe is actually pretty good overall. I'll get it out there. Throw these on eBay and onto the Instagram. Or if you want to come into the shop, they should be available too. We'll have multiple sizes, but if you want this pair for a discount, let them know you want the 10s with the busted box. Do one more spin. Let me know what you guys think of this Jordan. A lot of people say they don't like Jordan 1 Mids, but I see this as everyday, definitely an everyday wearing Jordan. You should be able to match this with your normal everyday outfits because of the blue, the white, and the black. Pretty hard to mess up matching up this. Let me give you guys a little bit of top action so you can see this blue I'm talking about. That's the only hits of the blue on the shoe besides the bottom. Give you guys a look at what the shoe will look like when it's on your foot. Alright guys, remember to stay safe out there. Let me know what shoes you want to see next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. And stay safe. Everybody have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!